Hi there, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video here at FXGK Millionaire. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed the video that I produced yesterday. So, on today's video, we're just gonna continue on with the technical market insight on today's video. So, what you guys could see right now, guys, we are basically on the 4 hour time frame. And one thing that I did discuss yesterday was we're gonna wait for our daily candle to close under our 720 reason. So what we could have seen now, guys, is that we did basically starting to close under our 720 reason with this strong bearish momentum candle. So what we can do in this scenarios right now, guys, is that we could take advantage of our counter on our intraday uh time frames, right? That is what we can do. We can also see that price did close under our 679 reason. So we can see price basically retest this area. So now we can expect price to come all the way to 644 on our daily time frame. So what I would do now, guys, is I will scale down to my 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame here again. What you guys could see right here is that, let me just show you guys right now. What you guys could see right here is that we did respect this previous area right here multiple times with uh massive rejections here to the upside. Price basically showing us this bearish variation right there with momentum now to the downside. This is a beautiful retest pattern for us, guys, to showing us that price, showing us now momentum to the downside. So what can we do? It seems like we're missing out on the moves, right? On the move, but guys, we didn't miss out on any move. We can still take advantage of this retracement for price to come and retest our 720 area right here. So if once price starting to create a low on our weekly time frame, we can expect price to retrace back to our 720 area, and then showing us rejections, we can expect price to continue to the downside. That is basically what we can expect, right? So what I will do right now, guys, is that I will scale down to my 1 hour time frame, right? So how can we take advantage of this move right now? We could see that price basically starting to create this range. Now we have a strong bearish momentum candle to the downside. That is a right opportunity to showing us that price is basically showing us now momentum to the downside. But what we must do first right now, guys, is that we must wait for a 1 hour candle closer under this previous area of support right here. Let me just put it in right there, right? This is basically what we must wait for right now for price to close under our 1 hour area of support. So then what we can do is that we can scale into our 15-minute time frame and wait for our retracement on this market, right? It's basically like a breakout and retest strategy that we're gonna apply on our 50 minutes. As you guys can see, we did create this lower high. Now we're just waiting for a more steeper downside, wait for retracement back to this area, and then we can continue this move here to the downside. So guys, this is basically what we can do on our 15 minutes perspective. So now we must ask ourselves, what area will we target? We will basically target our more bigger time frame supply and demand reasons, right? So what I would do is right now is that you guys can see that we have 644 reason right here. That is a pretty good area of demand for us, so we can expect price to easily come into that reason. But you guys can also use your daily time frame to basically spot all of our major areas of demand. As you guys can see, previously price spiked into it and we have a massive a bull run. Here we can see as well spike up a massive bull run. So now, guys, we can expect price to come into this area, and once price starting to close under our 644 reason, we can expect continuation to the downside to 555, guys. So the only setup that I can see right now is on my 15 minutes time frame to be patient, guys. For those trading 5 minute, for those trading the 5 minute, guys, you guys can basically take more advantage waiting for confirmation for a retest of this previous reason right here, because right, this is a simple one. We have a swing lower high. Now we can see price basically starting to create this lower low, so we can expect for price to retrace back to 668, and then we only gonna wait for some form of a bearish variation. Let me just show you example. We're gonna wait for something like this. Once we see something like this or this or this, we're gonna execute on our trading positions to the downside. So you can either catch this trade on your 5 minute or on your 50 minutes, guys. So it's your boy FXGK, guys, and thanks for watching. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and leave your comments down below. Thanks.